Okay, so this is a continuation of 16.1, and today we're doing area of a trapezoid. And your problem looks like this, and this is the formula right here for a trapezoid. It says the area of a trapezoid is half its height multiplied by the sum of the lengths of its two bases. Base 1 is at the top, plus base 2, which is at the bottom. Add them together, multiply by the height, and then multiply by half of that. You're like, what is all this? Okay, don't worry. Here's an example that I'm gonna walk you through it. Okay, here it is. And remember, I'm using the Go Math textbook. Identify the shape. So this is a trapezoid. Identify the bases. So this is base 1. This one right here is base 2. This one right here, what do you think it is? Yes, that's the height. It's usually denoted by the dotted lines right here. So one more time, what do? We say area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height times B1 plus B2. What are we going to do? We're going to put the height here in parentheses, which is 16, and then multiply by base 1 plus base 2. We're adding the bases. So 17 plus 39, that's 56, times 16 times 1/2. Okay? So to make it easy on you, you can just do 1/2 times 16, or you can say 16 times 1 and 2 times 1, which is basically saying what is half of 16. 1/2 times 16 is the same thing as saying 16 divided by 2. So what's 16 divided by 2 here? 8. And then multiply by 56. And then we get 8 times 56. We get 448. What are the units? Square feet. So I put the feet and then I put the little 2. And if you look over here, they're the same thing. Okay, that's it. And then, sorry about that. Let's do your turn. Actually, let me erase this right here and show you another way too. So if you don't like the multiply by 1/2, you can do this next formula. Give me a second. This is what you do. You do area equals, you add base 1 plus base 2. Oh, what did I do? Okay, sorry guys. So you add them, you multiply by the height, and then you divide by 2. So you add, you put here the height is 16, multiply by base 1 plus base 2 all over 2. So you can say 16 times 17 plus 39 is 56. Multiply that by 16 divided by 2. When you multiply that, 16 times 56, it's gonna give you a big number, and then you divide that by 2. So I believe it's gonna give you, let's see here, 56 times 16. When you get that number, you divide it by 2, and it will give you 448. And then you put the units in the square. Okay, I know it's kind of long, but you can do it. So for example, here, this is a parallelogram. We said that that was just base times height, base times height. Okay, trapezoid, that was what we just did right now. You're gonna add the bases first, multiply by the height, and the last step is to divide by 2. Divide the answer, okay, by 2. That will be for the area of a trapezoid. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to find the area of a rhombus. Okay.